This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Beth Robinson. Welcome to this charming 3-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom bungalow located off East Main Street in Ellettsville. Step inside to discover an inviting open floor plan that offers a spacious living area that boasts ample natural light. A unique feature of this home is the large bonus room in the attic, providing additional space for a home office, playroom, or creative studio. The possibilities are endless. Key updates include a stove and dryer that were replaced in 2024, as well as HVAC, water heater, and furnace, all replaced in 2022, offering peace of mind and efficiency for years to come. For added accessibility, a wheelchair ramp is installed at the front of the home, providing easy access for all. This home is sold as is, providing a unique opportunity for those with an eye for potential. For more information,